In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Please Donate on Roblox here on your mobile device and set up your own stand so that people can donate Robux to you. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. But when you join a game such as Please Donate, you'll see stands around the map. If you walk up to someone's stand, you can tap a donation button like 5 Robux to support them, but most likely you'll want your own stand so that others can donate to you. Before even loading into Please Donate, go ahead and select More down in the bottom right corner of your Roblox and then hit Create, and it's going to take you to a tab that looks like this. Hit these 3 lines up at the top right corner and select Creations. Go into your public place by selecting it just like so, and then hit the 3 lines up in the top right corner and scroll down until you see the monetization tab. Specifically look for the passes tab here. Hit create a pass, and what you're going to want to do is set a name for this pass, a description if you like, and then you can also upload a picture for like this little icon here. After doing so, hit create pass. From here, go back and you're going to see these passes in this section right here. Go ahead and select whatever pass you just created, and what you're going to want to do is hit those 3 lines up in the top right corner again and hit sales, and then tick on this section for item for sale to list it. From here, set your default price and then hit save changes. Now you can back out of this section by hitting the X up in the top right corner, and then go to the home tab and specifically search for Please Donate and open it up just like so. What you're going to want to do now is actually run towards one of these stands to actually go ahead and claim it. Let's go ahead and claim this one right here by running up to it and holding down claim. And as you can see, you're going to see the Robux now pop up in that section. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can play Please Donate here on mobile. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.